Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. I'm doing this kind of a video after such a long time and it feels so good to be back. You might know that recently I headed out for a 500-kilometer trip in my EV. So it was a 3-day trip and I'm going to break this trip into 3 videos. So in the first video, I'm going to tell you about the trip, like what it was, how many kilometers, how many passengers, everything. This is that video. In the second video, we'll do the cost analysis, in which I'll tell you how much I spent on the 500 kilometers trip with respect to the car. So I'll compare the cost of this versus an ICE vehicle. We'll take any other car in this price range for reference. And in the third video, I'm going to tell you everything about the suspension, the comfort and the overall observations. In that video, I include the driving feel and how the rear passengers felt, everything. So stay tuned for both of those two videos as well. Now for this video, the trip was in total of about 507 kilometers. The trip was from Mohali to Amritsar. So the road from Mohali to Amritsar is superb. Actually, they've built really good highways all along the way. And so the first day was going from Mohali to Amritsar, and that was about 220 kilometers in total. I left the home with 80% SOC and the range displayed here was somewhere about 400. I'll attach pictures or clips wherever I've taken them so that you know with reference. We're leaving today and you can see that the charge is at 80% and 436 kilometers of range is shown. This is enough to go one way direct, but we're going to stop for charging. And where are we going to stop? That stop is going to be 175 kilometers away. You'll see that I've put McDonald's here, but there is a Mahindra charger there which is 180 kilowatts and I really want to try that charger. One thing that I observed very initial is that chargers are really hard to find. So one charger is listed on one app and not on the other. So it becomes really hard to coordinate where each charger is. You can also see the temperature. It's 36 degrees Celsius outside. So it's pretty sunny, it's super hot and it's the middle of the afternoon. We were 5 passengers in total and there was luggage in the boot. The frunk was completely empty and the boot was partially filled, like you could fit a bit more stuff, but I wouldn't say that it was empty. We had quite a lot of luggage. So the first day was 220 kilometers all highway. We left here from home and till Amritsar, so 99% of highway, and it was just about 10 kilometers of city driving. So you can say that it was 210 kilometers of highway driving. I maintained speeds of about 80 to 90 kilometers on the way to Amritsar because even though the highways are good, there are quite a lot of undulations and the road is not that even. We had to charge once at the Amritsar Jalandhar highway, and that was a Mahindra 180 kilowatt charger. All the charging experience will be shared in the next video where I do the cost analysis. Then the second day was mostly city driving in Amritsar, so the speeds maintained were really low. There was also a little bit of off-roading involved. I'll attach that clip as well. The third day obviously was the way back home from Amritsar, again 220 kilometers, and we again stopped at the same Mahindra charger. I reached back home after the entire trip with about 30% SOC left, and on the way back from Amritsar I could actually maintain higher speeds of about 90 to 110. I also touched 120 to 125. And why did that happen? Because technically I was driving on the same roads. It was the same route that we went with and I came back at the same route. You'll know why the speed difference in the third video where I talk about the suspension. There are some huge observations on that front. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was just to give you a general idea of the trip. We'll cover everything in detail in the upcoming 2 videos. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for those. Like the video, share it. If you have any questions, then comment down below. I'll be really happy to answer them. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.